Hello, friends. This is Maria and the Cryptemic Academy. We are analyzing key market events, briefly and to the point. Let's go. XRP comes to messengers. The integration of WXRP into Solana opens up a new scenario, transactions directly within chats. Through AI bots, users can exchange assets without switching to exchanges. This lowers the entry threshold and brings crypto closer to a familiar UX. If the model takes hold, messengers could become a new entry point into Web3. Data leaks remain a threat. The incident with ICE Open Network showed, even without access to funds, the risks remain high. Compromising contractors becomes a weak link, meaning that security in Web3 is no longer just about code, but also about the entire infrastructure surrounding it. The Fed maintains independence. The regulator sends a clear signal to the markets. Decisions will be made based on data, not politics. This reduces uncertainty and supports the predictability of the macro environment, a key factor for crypto and stock markets. PayPal faces new competition. The launch of X Money intensifies pressure from big tech. If the platform combines payments, wallets, and e-commerce, it could change the fintech market. The pressure on traditional services will only grow. Asia is reshaping the balance of power. The agreement between India and South Korea strengthens the trend towards diversification away from China. This affects not only the economy, but also technological chains, including AI and semiconductors. Google is moving to the level of AI infrastructure. The new Gemini platform is focused on the corporate segment. This signifies a shift. Competition is no longer for interfaces, but for control over AI ecosystems and business automation. DeFi is facing systemic risks. The Kelp DAO case showed that vulnerabilities may not be in the code, but in the infrastructure. An attack through RPC nodes and a chain reaction of liquidations hit the entire market. This reinforces the trend towards rethinking security architecture. PR in Web3 is becoming more systemic. Outset Media Index is attempting to standardize media evaluation. This is a step towards a more mature market where decisions are made based on data rather than subjective factors. Coinbase is changing its business model. The exchange is moving towards an everything exchange format, combining crypto, stocks, and commodities. This reflects a global trend. The boundaries between markets are blurring, and trading is becoming a unified system. Crypto betting is reshaping the market. Spartans is betting on real sports events and a new engagement economy. A focus on liquidity and transparency may push out old gambling models. Swift versus blockchain. Ripple is solving the last-mile problem by offering nearly instant settlements. Meanwhile, the market is moving not towards replacement, but towards competition and gradual integration of the two systems. This is where our episode comes to an end. What do you think? Will messengers become the new standard for crypto trading? Will competition from X put pressure on traditional fintech services? And will DeFi be able to restore trust after infrastructure attacks? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to delve deeper into the crypto market, visit the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.